So we're doing an oil change on a 2021 Dodge Challenger. It has the 5.7 liter Hemi. You want to make sure you jack up the car. Always have jack stands. I have them on the frame. And we'll go ahead and get started. So to start, we got to get this plastic cover off. There's a 10 millimeter bolt there, 10 millimeter bolt there, and then I think there's two more in the back. And then we have a 13 millimeter bolt. We cracked the bolt, and I'll try to get you guys a nice view of it as it comes out. I'm gonna take the rest of it off the hand. And there we go. Oil's finished stripping out. I'm gonna slide it over and we're gonna try to get the oil filter. So the drain plug's pretty much in the middle of the car. The oil filter's closer to the passenger side. So we're gonna use oil filter wrench, some extensions on my 1/2 inch. There we go. Oh yeah, that was on there very loose. Wow. That did not take much. You guys saw it spin. All right, I'm gonna drag this over. Ooh, wind. I don't want wind. You can see the wind's blowing. I am gonna put the drain plug back in. All right. Hopefully I didn't scoot it too much. All right. There's our oil filter. Bring it down. Here we go. And let's go fill up the new one. So if you're unsure what oil your car needs, it's always going to be on your oil cap. So it says 5W20. So we have some Mobil 1. And in the owner's manual it says it takes 7 quarts. So before we do that though, we're going to take our filter, Napa Gold. We're gonna open it up and pour oil in it to start, and then make sure the seal has oil around it. And then just make sure you have oil along the seal. All right, let's go put it in. Oil pan out of the way a little bit, and we're just gonna make sure it's nice and tight, but just hand tight. So I'm gonna probably use my other hand. I need to wipe the oil off and give it a good twist, and then that's all you need to do. You don't need to use the oil filter socket. I thought I was recording, I wasn't. I replaced the gasket on the bolt for the oil, and then I tightened it down. I tightened it with a good snug fit, but I didn't over tighten it. You never want to over tighten it. So, but yeah, that's all you have to do, is replace it and then tighten it back up onto the oil pan. And after that, we're just going to add our oil. Okay, so it's 7 quarts of oil. If you pour from the side, you actually get a lot less glopping. It comes out way smoother. So we're going to go ahead and do this 5 quarts, and then we'll add in 2 more quarts. Then just put your plastic cover back on. Make sure you put your cap back on your oil, unjack your car, and you're good to go.